Have you ever asked yourself how all the people who are living in Vietnam, Thailand, Bali, the digital nomads, the entrepreneurs, the crypto guys, the travelers, the traders, how they actually operate and how they actually live in such places? And then you see yourself, you're stuck in your environment, you're stuck in your home country, you're depressed, the weather's bad, you're unhealthy, your surroundings are not nice, the weather is bad, I mentioned that one, the food is not good, but you would like to have a life like this. So how do they actually do it? But let me tell you, watch to the end, it is actually so easy and simple. And I'm going to tell you the steps of how you can make the same step as they made, because our clients are from different categories. We have millionaires, average, starting entrepreneurs, multi-millionaires, and maybe some clients, they have a big wealth, but I don't know about that. Because a lot of people, they also like the secret. People have companies in their home country, they keep it, they sell it, they have property, they're going to sell that as well in a few years, some have sold it. And now you think, okay, this guy, Tom, I'm watching him on YouTube, he's doing forex trading, but he's living in this villa in Bali, and he's traveling to different places all the time. But he's enjoying, he's showing his lifestyle, and he's happy. How does he do it? Well, he might have a setup, a company set up, his bank accounts, his residency in Dubai, or he might have a setup in Malta, Cyprus, or South America. It depends. There's different options you can go with. It depends on what you're actually looking for. What is your aim? The benefits of having it in Dubai, it's westernized. It's very easy. You only have to come here I'm in Thailand now, 5 working days to Dubai. Get your residency, your personal, your business bank account. You can get your driving license, your company license, mobile phone contract. And with the ID and the phone number, you can do everything. You can rent, you can buy a car, for example. You get your driving license, convert that. You keep everything from your home country. You don't give anything away. You get a 2-year residency, which you renew every 2 years. If you want the golden visa, that's another option. That's an investment with the property for $500,000 US. And then, this is my dearest Alex. He's operating his business or personal trading tax-free, receiving the money in the UAE and transferring it to other accounts or crypto or buying property, whatever he wants. And if he's doing business, trading business is a different option, of course, but there's officially 9% corporate tax in Dubai, but in most cases you can have a 0% tax rate, salary, dividends, costs, or opening another company. There's always ways around that, so you're paying 0%. And now you get the people of the haters saying, yeah, we don't pay taxes, but taxes are good. We do pay taxes at 9%. And there's companies and people who pay taxes. And if you're getting this free zone license, for example, and you want to do any changes, you always have fees to pay. So for example, if you're getting the free zone license and we are charging maybe 8, 9, 10,000 US dollar for the whole setup, as most of the amount will go to the free zone license authority and to the government. So that's where and how they make money, and then the renewal of the license. It all sounds a lot, but it's not a lot. It's an investment. Say you're making 1 million US dollar, 100,000 US dollar. Now you're paying this investment. Say a maximum of $10,000. You're making 1 million, and you know how to do it. You will be left with 990,000 US dollar cash in your pocket. Now, depending on which country you are and how you get taxed and what other things you have to pay out, how much would you give away? Comment below which country you're from and how much taxes you would pay out. I would like to hear that. I can talk about these things as well, because I like to learn a lot of things. We have an apartment in Casablanca, Morocco. I have a bank account there. I had a company or an LLC in the USA, got the bank account. I actually, when I was coming here to Dubai 5 years ago, I was doing the E2 visa for the 50,000 US dollar investment because I wanted to live in USA. I got everything, I did everything myself. I wanted to get the appointment for the Frankfurt US embassy. I paid the fee, but I never got the appointment, and somehow I just thought, okay, I will stay in Dubai, and then that's how my life went on. I have a Hong Kong company, an offshore company now for my e-com brand. We're going to also talk about that, give you information on that. So I had a company in Germany which I sold the brand, and I had companies in Germany before that which I left because I always wanted to go on and do something else. You can also Google me, you will find my name, put in Germany, Hamburg, you'll see my history a bit, or LinkedIn. So the things I'm talking about, I actually do and I made. Even I'm doing the trading, I'm doing crypto platforms, Blueberry, Bybit, things like. So I know all these things. It's not like I'm an expert in all the fields. I'm not saying that, but everything I'm actually talking about, I have done in a way. So I know, and I'm not just creating something. I'm trying to be authentic and real as well. Even my views are a bit low because we had some issue with the channel name. But that doesn't mean if I have 10,000 views, I'm more successful, or I'm getting more clients, or I'm reaching. But if I can just help one person to change their mind, if they're thinking to do something, it might help. So just book that call. It's free. Give you all information of how we can set up or I can set up your residency, your tax, family relocation. Doesn't matter. Investing in real estate. I have my team. Kevin, real estate. I have Rosie. She's doing all the admin work, and I have the other people on board. So the whole team which is operating behind, which you don't really see, but you will come in touch with them.